Welcome to Japanese Shoe Channel. Today, I'm in the Philippines, Manila. I'm in Makati right now. Probably some of viewers know why I'm frequently in the Philippines. That's because I'm opening my clinic in Makati area. So that's why I'm keep coming here. So for this time, I'm doing job interviews to our candidates. So that's why I'm here. And also, the person helping me a lot he is going to meet some important people who is living in the Philippines. So I have several gatherings at night, and that's very fun to talk with and fun to meet with, because my observation changes each time I met the people doing business in the Philippines. Because when I see Philippines on the from my side, it's like I'm thinking the way, just on the way I felt or I experienced or I thought. But when I heard some of the experience, someone who is living in the Philippines, it changed my mind a lot. So, for example, I thought doing business in the Philippines is very hard because Japanese and Filipino doesn't have similar work style. But the one person told me that so someone who experienced the business in China or Korea, they said doing business in the Philippines is very easy because precondition is very different those from China or South Korea. So he said, and I also think that way. So Chinese, Korean, they hate Japanese, but on the contrary, Filipino like Japanese, so that's easy. Precondition is very different, he said, and yes, I feel the same, and I take that positive word literally. He said the most important part running business Philippines successfully is how to maintain business. That's he said. I totally agree with that. I think Filipinos are easily adapted to different cultural style or different work style. So they high possibility we can work with. I became a little bit positive about running my business in the Philippines. And so some said some Japanese said Filipino can't change their mind, or they're very stereotype, but I can say Japanese also the same. So I saw many who can't change their mind, or who can't change what they are doing. So it's the same. It's not about nationality. It's about their mindset. Yeah. So I'm so funny Japanese are saying that Filipinos can't change mind. You can see many Japanese can't change mind. So it's not about the nationality. It's about mindset you have. So yeah, I'm planning to open my clinic a lot, I hope. So we are still hiring people who want to have healthcare job with good mind and good mindset. If you have good mindset, good mood, good vibe, please apply to our clinic. I think it's very fun to spend time with you, because we are contributing people's health, improving people's health in the Philippines. So this job is doing a very good thing to local people in the Philippines. So I hope you can be part of our I hope you can be part of it. Okay, today's video is it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell to not to miss my future videos. If you like the video, please share it to your friends and family members. Okay, I'll keep updating about me and reaction video or so on. Bye for now.